Hi guys, so this is how we quickly came from this to this using two products. So first we came in with black dye at the root. So once we applied the black dye, then we came in with maroon. This was a bleach. We used bleach on this one. It's maroon-ish. Then we rinsed it off. Once the process was done, gave her a 2-strand twist. So we did a retwist with 2-strand twist, oiled her scalp, and that was it. So what do you think, guys? Was this service worth it? Get us at Kawa Plaza, Juja, next to JKUAT main gate. See you there, guys.